Achieving intricate designs in woodworking is a pursuit filled with a myriad of challenges that can test the skills, patience, and creativity of even the most seasoned artisans. One of the foremost difficulties lies in the precision required for detailed work. Intricate designs often involve complex cuts, delicate joinery, and fine detailing, all of which demand exact measurements and careful execution. Even the slightest miscalculation can lead to misaligned pieces, which not only compromises the overall integrity of the project, but also detracts from its aesthetic appeal. This necessitates a high level of attention to detail, which can be mentally taxing, especially during lengthy projects that require repetitive tasks. Woodworkers must constantly verify their measurements and ensure that each cut is executed flawlessly, a process that can be both time-consuming and stressful, particularly when working on designs with numerous components that must fit together seamlessly. Hello there, dear viewers, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wooden crafts project ideas by talking the challenges faced by woodworkers in achieving intricate designs. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Another significant challenge is the inherent nature of wood as a material. Wood is dynamic and can expand, contract, and warp due to changes in humidity and temperature, which can significantly affect how pieces fit together. This variability is particularly problematic in intricate designs, where precision is crucial. Woodworkers must have a deep understanding of different wood species and their behaviors, anticipating how they might change after cutting and shaping. For instance, a piece that appears perfectly straight in one condition may warp or twist in another, leading to complications during the assembly process. This necessitates not only careful selection of materials, but also a thorough acclimatization process, where wood is allowed to adjust to the environment in which it will be used. Understanding these nuances is essential to avoid potential issues that could derail the entire project, requiring artisans to be both skilled and knowledgeable about the materials they work with. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The tools and techniques employed also contribute significantly to the challenges faced in achieving intricate designs. Intricate woodworking often requires specialized tools, such as chisels, routers, or even CNC machines, which may not be readily available to all woodworkers. Mastering these tools takes practice and dedication, and achieving the desired results can be frustrating, particularly for those still developing their skills. The learning curve associated with advanced techniques, such as intricate joinery or detailed carving, can be steep, demanding both time and commitment to develop the necessary proficiency. Furthermore, the maintenance and calibration of tools are crucial. Dull blades or improperly adjusted machinery can lead to poor cuts and increased risk of accidents, compounding the difficulties faced during the creation of detailed work. Time constraints present another significant challenge. Intricate woodworking projects often demand considerable hours of dedication, from planning and designing to execution and finishing. For woodworkers balancing multiple projects or working under tight deadlines, the temptation to rush through the process can lead to mistakes that detract from the quality of the final piece. The pressure to complete projects quickly may result in cutting corners or skipping essential steps, ultimately compromising the craftsmanship that is vital to intricate design work. This tension between the desire for quality and the demands of time can create a stressful environment, making it challenging for artisans to maintain both their standards and their creativity. Patience is essential in woodworking, especially when dealing with intricate designs, but sustaining focus over extended periods can be difficult, particularly when faced with the monotony of repetitive tasks that such projects often entail. Finishing techniques further complicate the pursuit of intricate designs. Achieving a flawless finish on detailed work is often challenging, as imperfections can be magnified by the intricacies of the design. Woodworkers must be meticulous in their sanding and finishing processes, which require multiple steps to ensure that every detail is highlighted and protected. This can be time-consuming and may require additional skills, such as knowledge of different types of finishes and how they interact with the wood to achieve the desired results. For instance, a stain that enhances the beauty of the wood grain in one area may not have the same effect in another, leading to uneven coloration that detracts from the overall appearance. Therefore, mastering the finishing process becomes an integral part of executing intricate designs, where the final aesthetic can make or break the project. The emotional and psychological aspects of woodworking should not be overlooked, as they can significantly impact an artisan's ability to achieve intricate designs. The desire to create a perfect, detailed piece can lead to self-imposed pressure and stress. Many woodworkers grapple with perfectionism, which can hinder progress and stifle creativity. This internal struggle often manifests in the fear of making mistakes, which can paralyze decision-making and lead to a reluctance to experiment with new ideas or techniques. Overcoming these mental blocks is essential for maintaining motivation and enjoyment in the craft, but it can be a significant hurdle for many artisans. The emotional investment in a project can be both a source of inspiration and a source of anxiety, creating a complex relationship with the work that requires a delicate balance. Additionally, the collaborative aspect of woodworking can introduce further challenges. While many woodworkers thrive in solitary environments, intricate designs often benefit from input and expertise from others. Engaging in collaborative projects can lead to innovative ideas and techniques, but it can also result in conflicting visions and approaches. Navigating these dynamics requires strong communication skills and the ability to compromise, which can be difficult for artisans who are deeply connected to their creative vision. The challenge of aligning different perspectives can lead to frustration, but it can also be an opportunity for growth, pushing woodworkers to expand their skill sets and embrace new ways of thinking about their craft. Ultimately, the journey to achieving intricate designs in woodworking is fraught with challenges that test an artisan's skills, knowledge, and patience. From the precision required for detailed work and the unpredictable nature of wood to the mastery of specialized tools and the emotional complexities of creativity, each step of the process demands careful consideration and execution. However, overcoming these challenges often leads to a profound sense of accomplishment and the creation of stunning, intricate pieces that reflect the woodworker's dedication to their craft. The satisfaction derived from transforming a vision into a tangible piece, despite the difficulties faced along the way, is what makes woodworking a deeply rewarding pursuit. Each intricate design serves not only as a testament to the artisan's craftsmanship, but also as a celebration of their resilience and creativity, inviting appreciation and admiration from those who encounter their work. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked for wooden craft projects for home styling and selling. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.